So in this video, we're going to learn how to use the MQTT client code on our 4G development board. And by watching this video, you'll easily be able to make your own home automation based project where you can send and receive data over internet using a cloud MQTT broker. For this video, I'll be showing you the demo by using the Adafruit IO MQTT broker. So let's get started. So now before moving ahead with the code part, make sure the 4G module is connected properly with the microcontroller board of your choice. The SIM card is inserted in correct position. The voltage level switch is at the right position. All the antennas are connected to the respective slot. And the module is powered up properly with a 9 volt to 12 volt 2 ampere power supply. Now the 4G board used in this video is available for sale on our website, whose purchase link is down in the description of this video. And now let's move ahead with the code part. So here's the code for MQTT client, and here we are using two libraries. One is the techiesms and other is the PubSub client, which you can download by going into the libraries manager and searching for the library here. For example, here I can search for techiesm, and here I installed the version 0.11.7, and similarly you can also search for the library called as PubSub client, and here you need to install this library. In my case, I installed the version 2.8.0. After that, this code is made to be compatible with all the 4 boards like ESP8266, ESP32, Arduino Mega and Arduino Uno board. In my case, I'm using the Arduino Uno board to show you the demo. Now this code definitely requires a couple of changes to be made to make it work on your end. Let me show you those changes. So first of all, you need to provide the APN name of your network provider. Now to search for the APN name of your network provider, you can go to google.com, and here you can type out the network provider name. In my case, it is VI. Then type out 4G APN name, press enter, and here you can see that www is the APN name of my network provider, which I have provided here. Now after that, here you need to provide the MQTT broker configuration. For example, the broker name, the client name, the MQTT user, and the MQTT password. And after that, you need to provide the topic name as well. Now, in case if you have used the MQTT broker before, you are already aware about all this configuration. But if you are not aware, well, I recommend you to watch out this video on our channel, which explain you all about what is MQTT broker, what is a topic, what is a username, password, everything. Now here for showing you the demo, I'm using the Adafruit IO MQTT broker, which is a free cloud broker that you can use for your projects. You can just go to io.adafruit.com, and here you can create your account for free of course. And later you can go to feed section, and here you can click on new feed to create the new feeds, or we can say topic. I already created 2 feeds. One is the LED pin and other is the LED status. After creating the feed, I went to the dashboard. And here we already have a welcome dashboard, and inside the dashboard you can click on the setting icon, and here you can click on create new block and click on this toggle button, and here you can assign a particular feed to the particular widget, which is a toggle button. So I already did this configuration for a LED pin, which is a button, and other is the status indicator. So what this example is all about is I am subscribed to the topic called as LED pin, which is nothing but this button. So whatever data is coming from the button side will be reflected into my 4G module, and accordingly I can turn on and off the LED. And the second topic is LED status, in which I'm publishing the data of the LED state. So once we receive the data, it will turn on and off the LED, and that LED state will be reflected back to the MQTT broker. So I made this kind of code to let you know how you can publish as well as subscribe on a particular topic in an MQTT broker. So that topic name or feed name you need to provide here. Then you need to provide the username and password, which you can find by clicking on this key icon. So this is my username, this is the password, and the broker name will be remaining as it is if you are using the Adafruit server, which is io.adafruit.com. The client name is any random name, any random number or name you can provide to a client, but make sure 2 clients connected to one server can't have a same name. That is the only condition. After that, you need to provide an LED pin number. In my case, I have provided as digital pin 9, on which I have currently connected an LED, which I'll be showing in the demo by turning it on and off. You can change this number according to your project, your application. After that, the rest of the code will remain as it is, but still I'll explain you how this code is working. So first of all, the 4G development board will be powering up. We are initializing the modem. It will get connected with the GPRS and the network. After connecting with the network, what it will do is it will make the connection with our MQTT broker. Once it is connected, it will just wait for any data to be sent or received. So in case the data is received, it will call this callback function, and in case the data received is 1, it will just turn on the LED and publish that same data to the pub topic, which is this indicator. And in case the data is not 1, that means 0, it will turn off the LED and will publish the data 0 to this LED status indicator. And that's the basic code of publishing and subscribing the data using the MQTT or the PubSub client library. Now let's just select the right board and COM port and hit the upload button. Okay, so code is successfully uploaded. I'll open the serial monitor, and here make sure the baud rate is selected as 9600 and here it is selected as both NL and CR. As you can see, it says techiesms 4G development board powering up. It is initializing the modem and it is trying to connect to MQTT, and as you can see, it is successfully connected with MQTT server. Now let me just turn on the smartphone's camera to show you the response. So currently, as you can see, the LED on the Arduino is in off state, and here on the dashboard is also the button is in off state. I'll turn on the button, and as you can see, the LED got turned on here, and also the status indicator changed to green because green means 1 and red means 0. Let's try to turn it off. So as I turned off, as you can see, the LED got turned off here, and the status indicator also turned red. And the same response we are also able to see onto the serial monitor as well. And this is working over internet via 4G network. And similarly, here in case of LED, you can also connect relay, or you can also connect multiple relays by providing multiple topics and multiple digital pins in the code, and can make your own complete home automation project that is not working over Wi-Fi but working over 4G cellular connectivity. I hope you find this episode interesting, and I hope you understood how an MQTT client code works on this 4G development board. I'll provide this link of the code down in the description of this video, and also you can find out several other example codes for this 4G development board and the respective videos so that you can learn how to use this board and can make some amazing projects out of it. So just keep watching, keep learning, and keep making.